Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Wow, that sounds so amazing. I'm happy about it. I'm Simon Namde and I am so excited to take you on a journey into the world of data analytics. This channel is all about making data so easy to understand and also actionable for everyone, whether you are just starting up or looking to refine your skills. Here on this channel, we will dive deep into the tools and techniques that power data analytics today. From the fundamental skills to the advanced techniques, I will show you how to work with data, clean it up, analyze it, and also visualize to drive better decision making. So, for data cleaning, you can imagine the irregularities here. They are not well trimmed, and the column headers, they are really messy. In fact, the data is quite messy. Look at the column headers; they are not really formatted, and you can see empty cells we have here. These are the things that data analysts do to make sure that we have a well looking and prepared data afterwards. So compare that now when it has been worked upon. Look at how beautiful it now looks. So that is the difference between the data when it's not being cleaned and when it has been cleaned. And that's the power of data cleaning. And at the same time, we do modeling, and this is just analysis. You see how it works, and then afterwards we now do the visualization. So this is where you see what you have done and you see how beautiful it looks. So what tools we will be using? One may be tempted to ask, what is he even talking about? I'll be covering some of the most popular and effective data analytic tools we have. The first in the list is Microsoft Excel. It's one of the tools we use in data analytics. When you talk about data analytics, the first thing that should come into your mind is Microsoft Excel. It is very, very important that you start your journey with this tool, and we'll cover everything that has to do with Excel, from formula to pivot table. Then after that, we now go into SQL, and we know SQL is very, very important. Wherever you hear the name SQL, the next thing that should come to your mind is database. Why are we using SQL? The Excel that we talked about has a limit of data that it can carry. Where Excel cannot take you, SQL will not take you to the place. And I will guide you through querying databases and also extracting insights efficiently. So after the SQL, we will now talk about the Power BI. It's a Microsoft tool. We call it Microsoft Power Business Intelligence. We'll use Power BI to turn your raw data into impactful visualization. So after Power BI comes Tableau, and we'll explore Tableau's unique features for data visualization and storytelling through interactive dashboards and charts. So after the Tableau is my very good friend, is actually a programming language. We call it Python. Python is my very good friend and is a programming language. And if you are ready to dive into automation and advanced analysis, we will use Python to handle any complex data task, with ease. So all these tools, I will take you one after the other, and you will see how they are being used to drive insights. Okay, why data analytics? Data is everywhere, from businesses to healthcare to everyday life. It helps us make better decisions, identify trends, and predict future outcomes. My very good goal is to help you harness the power of data so you can use it to your advantage And no matter what field you are in, yes, whether you are working with small data sets or tackling big data projects, I will show you how to unlock actionable insights from your data. On this channel, you can expect hands-on tutorial, real-world case studies, and tips for mastering the key skills. Will break down complex concepts into easy to understand lessons so you can apply them in your work or personal projects. I'm here to build a community of data enthusiasts, and so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated and on all my new content. And I encourage you to leave a comment with your questions or suggestions for future videos. Let's grow and learn together.